If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have a go inside the description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so this is part 5. Yeah man, welcome to part 5 of this 8-part series. Yeah man. And prison time, Casper get 16 years and his co-accused get 12 years because of cocaine dealing in America. Yeah man, so welcome to part 5 of this explosive 8-part series. A raw, no holds bar journey into the shadowy world of Jamaican connected drug trafficking, told by a brave patriotic insider who has witnessed it all from the docks to the courtroom. In this episode, we shift from the ice seas to the cold, hard walls of American justice system. This is where the game ends and the consequences begins. Today we bring you real life downfall of 2 men who thought they could outsmart the system. Casper, now serving 16 years in prison in the United States, and his co-accused, whose name we will reveal, you will hear it in, was handed 12 years behind bars. Their crime? Cocaine trafficking. Serious weight, serious time. These weren't small-time street dealers. These were international players tied to a larger network of Caribbean couriers and American distributors who moved coke like it was currency until the feds came knocking. All of these are Frate's connection. Frate, Barra, and Inspector Vive Williams. You are going to hear how they were caught, what mistake led to their downfall, and the inside story from someone who knew the operation from within. This isn't courtroom gossip. This is real. First hand, unfiltered. Once again, our source, a Jamaican young police protege, bring us into the heart of the storm, revealing the names, the deals, and the betrayals that led to these heavy sentences. The justice system in America doesn't play with drug traffickers, and these 2 men found out the hard way. Casper is not just a number in the federal system. His dreams locked behind concrete, steel, and most chilling part, he's not just one of many. So buckle up, because part 5 will take you straight into the belly of this series where the drug game ends in chains and loyalty dies on a cross-examination. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Part 5, unfiltered,
vodka first and I'm going to take 2 pills afterwards. So but we see me as a race right
So when the ants start race the waist, you start worrying now, don't it?
Yes, and I mean call us so we can't come again.
So you call 911?
No, I'm not call nobody.
Wait, so what you do?
I said, boy, you get through with this now again.
So you never feel dead?
I when me take the pill me I really
What the instructions say?
You must not take it.
So wait, so all of your arteries, sir.
I want you to know. Me had a big pump.
Hey.
Jesus Christ.
So why you never call 911? Why you never do an embarrassment?
No. I mean, me I'm wife, man.
So when you go out to your wife, what you do?
I go hit the shower.
So when you shower, you have to really see him here.
She makes some tea for me. Take some of to well, you know.
But so it work out for you?
It work out there. Next day, I go back and it's something see him. Where the man him live? Me live from colleague early.
Yeah.
Me live from colleague. Then tell me, when you hear about that place opening called the villages.
Oh, that's how where old people them live.
Yes, man. I dem work with 24 years, you know. Retire. Yeah, man. One place.
So I just say meet the girl.
Mom, me meet her. A Winn-Dixie. Tell me see what chain. See what the ship with a whole chain.
Yeah.
Whole gold chain and yeah. I see first mess with me. She tell me never look up in her face. So just say I got college. And you know say she got college and she get a free basketball scholarship, you know, and go mess up and come back and join the Marine and go Afghanistan and Iraq.
So what's it now?
The police.
So you're not still deal?
She look mad. She da New York.
Oh. So
anytime she come and find Iraq, man, you have to find me.
So you fix her up?
What? Then I go, but so the first day me go in, man, the girl tell me that she has 17, so me go work and the man send me home, me couldn't work.
How comes?
Man, me know I can't go in a 17-year-old girl, man. Me know I feel good about it. And she lied to me.
Them tell us how much?
17.
Oh, you could have got jail?
Prison.
So I want to find out that she has 17.
I want to come over her. So, yeah. We push me here, but man, I fuck everywhere. In the car.
In your car?
I will talk to man, the cock up place, I tell her, but she tall, man.
Yeah.
I want to drop her pants and for them some pussy, police, I will serve me see a pass. She bumbo plan. Right at bush.
Right
on the road.
Then catch you, no?
No, then the police never stop. I couldn't fuck her again, I'm dead. Yeah, man. Yeah, hey. You see when me come to Miami?
Yeah.
I never tell you about the one here. You see when me come to Miami? 2001, June 25th. We stay off 25th Street, 2nd Avenue, off Biscayne there.
Off Biscayne Boulevard?
Yes. And man, with some boy named called Browns and Casper. And we said, me and Casper should up and ship together.
Yeah.
But he used to come up here and come up and be to visa and see up on 6 months and come back with a whole of money. But he will left to Super Miami Independent and go work with NCL.
Yeah.
And by 2 stories a Fort Lauderdale. And came good already. Man have depend B2 visa, but can be married to one girl from Jamaica. That girl couldn't help him to get him papers, so then left. He have a period to in Georgia.
So yeah, scamming man.
Let me tell you what, man. Casper. Tell Casper to cam me up on place in car. Dylan. Come on, Dylan. We can't get a ride to come up here. Me have the woman already up here, you understand?
Yeah.
And Casper say, he can't cam. So why? So the man boss in car, you have on green on that car. So the man boss in car trunk.
Money.
You have one scanner bag of money. Tie up to the top with each of them in a rubber band, each of them $1,000. Plus 8 kilo of coke. They think I can't, so no, I'm not come.
Because you're not traveling with no man to go on the jail, sir.
No, sir, he come up and deal and let her shit and call them back. Now, me and then man come back. No, my brother. The brother live a Boston, send on the lock on give me a train ticket. $75 from Miami. Come right up here.
Yeah.
And left $25, left 25, me have my pocket and reach up here. I'm call woman and come pick me up. And I say, man, me Casper keep in touch. Casper married to one Indian girl. She born up about her father doctor come from Clarendon. And you know, they have a big bus on Royal Caribbean ship, you know. And a Casper and then call. And Casper married no one, I forgot to interview a immigration hall at Miami.
Yeah.
When they go in the whole million.
A Biscayne Boulevard.
No, immigration in Miami.
Yeah, man, them time that you said over Biscayne Boulevard.
A Biscayne there?
Yeah, man.
You don't know. I'm sitting car and they hold him there. They hold Casper.
So what did happen to you after?
And when me there work, I'm boy and Bones called me from Miami and tell me, I feel me ball to block. I Casper my best friend, you know, man. And he married a preacher. And he used to tell me, say, mother tell him, say, he won't marry again. Why mother couldn't tell him, say, he won't go to prison again? He mother see a woman.
That's true.
A 16-year man getting come out 2 years now. 16 years. And Mississippi in doing time too.
So in that Jamaica now?
And the one when carry Koke, the man do 12 years.
Yeah, the man do 12 years?
The Koke man, I'm telling you, see me there. A 12-year man in do up here. In Jamaica right now.
Oh, no, tell you.
Federal. I'm not telling you, boy.
The don't go to man for you, see them with you.
And Casper 3 pick you say, this thing, man, can I need to ask you? He say, this thing in the 3 data you have up, man. You can't see him picking them, but then go on see him.
So one team Indian wife?
No, can't again. One pretty fuck. Man divorce him when he go to prison.
Oh, she have 3 picking for him?
1.
Oh.
You haven't picked the cousin and you have 3 data you have.
So what am I doing now at Jamaica?
In Cayman every now and then, you know. He man come from prison, man look good, look this guy in a prison I live weight. Man big. Family man come from prison look so good. He mother not see a woman, man. He mother
obey a woman?
No, Ben, I see a woman and he help people. Cause he help a white man get a white man foot better and him man build 1 2 stories game.
What did happen to you, white man?
Get bad foot and he couldn't get better.
Not even doctor could help him in America?
Not even doctor could help him. The woman go pan tour more time man. Come up here and gala England go work and make money. And if she get home and that I know. Miss Mac. Woman Casper got prison, man.
That's...
Me New York. You want you but put police in that put in the lizard, nothing, you know, remember that man.
No.
Then in the 80s. The morning, tenant come from Clarendon. Tenant don't kick one woman who breed and tenant don't kick one woman who breed and woman a picnic in the street, they lose the baby, a potty. And in friend Casper to give him to companionship and police, you know, and in one half and same man in New York a sell drugs. The police me tell you, see Budu I sell come up family with us,
in Florida, yeah.
I'm in the food, I'm couldn't take away, send him back. Yes. Because they both 4 years ago.
Budu dead too. But you know, Budu was one of them involved in an X6 case where cover up a case, you know.
1 year X6.
That's a one case where one boy killed one next school boy and the father come from foreign and them say him kill the boy and them thing. But whenever him and him son do it.
But the woman they near family right now.
His wife?
I'm not married to her, you know. But in the long time. But you should stay around they give me like.
You used to stay somewhere?
Peace. Yeah, man. We like that.
Where's the Budu used to station?
I'm contemplating comfort, yes, man. Country, our very man come from too. I'm good looking girl, but them people are big man now. And but when get to one of my friend named his name, then he's catching. Before that, I'm going to New York live. Down New York. A long time nobody find out where it is.
Yeah.
Can I come from but in the station of all these years until they got town. You know all the police one telling them the red. The man in red telling you in green. In Brooks. Mr. I said to him, sent him where girl from. She know wear shoes and she suck her finger.
Yeah.
And call her gremlins from the show.
Don't call her gremlins?
Yes, that's our nickname. Everybody call her gremlins.
Yeah, because it was your
and me say, me and Brooks used to play them, you know, down from police post support and when you call the water police station. But he was no water police. But I used to around and play them, you know.
Yeah.
When the immigration friend me have the new Perry, me think I came out on police.
Yeah.
And Brooks, look up the girl have baby man and the baby brown and pretty. So everybody wonder, half a white man baby. Then the girl put Brooks a quote. Jesus Christ. Punch up my phone and told him, Brooks got commission, have to go bar and say, you take care of the baby. But transfer him.
But transfer him?
Transfer him.
Why?
He can't take it, my mother laugh at him.
Tree girl ugly?
Then, like a mad man.
So I'm
like mental disturbed, yeah.
Oh, so I'm to she?
She put, well, we used to map books. The books that the best you could do. Look at you. Books, good. We said books look like I'm Puerto Rican. So when you're in green.
Yeah, so what am they now?
You know, so when get transfer and take care of it, and you see me say pick me a big job and I take care of my mother. You take care of it now.
So the mother did Koke?
Yeah, Koke.
But I'm glad all the picnic take care of the mother still though, you know?
Yeah man, you say picnic come out good, because Brooks don't take a picnic after a while.
So what Brooks are down?
I don't know, can I find him left 14 nobody no see him again. But the time he didn't come from.
Oh.
Yeah, them green.
Well, I tell you.
Me know that police name. Me tell you no police yet, because how old are you, about 62?
No, I'm reach 68, man. Me a young
boy. A young boy, man. Well, you know Gary. Gary.
So you didn't know one police that name Pencil Head or something like that?
A 40? Yeah, man.
What happened to him?
I don't know. I don't know, but Gary, good looking and red too.
Yeah.
Gray eye like puss.
Pussy, yeah.
Look at yellow man, the police look.
Barber.
Police.
Mm.
And you see white bike?
Yes, back in the days.
And when you call the man in your man, you better tremble. And Gary's one rich man, one cool man, you know.
Yeah.
One cool man in Sankar, man, had 3 brand new blood llamas truck.
Yeah.
And then him plant enough banana. And money, and him plant ganja. So Gary's granny man wife, you know.
Yeah.
And then he have one battle in a police go read the man ganja farm, you know. So the man then set some double pan Gary to blood. Cool it up.
Hold on. The man set double pan the policeman.
Yes, turn double before him dead man.
Gary turned double before him dead?
Yes.
So how that work?
So the coolie them put science on him, man.
That's why I ask you how it work. Tell me how that work.
Losing mind, losing job, go out of town and come back and take taxi and have money to pay for and get locked up and something.
They lock him up for take taxi?
Fan town. And come home and have money to pay for and lock him up.
Yeah.
All this something to go on with Gary.
My God.
Gary turned double before him dead. None of the people come back to him from Clarendon, but why?
So when him dead?
There's nothing dead. There's nothing dead. All the people don't come back to him. But he went on top of the 40 and he was a garbage pan.
True go mess with the man wife and thing.
And then the police go with the man farm and lock up. Man.
You can't do that, man. That's a evil. You know with the man, woman and all them things there. You know what I'm saying? That's abuse of power, man.
I know see me go home 2005. I miss one and daughter, when I call him and daughter.
Yeah.
When they get like a school, boy, you want them shit. Them pretty like flowers to blood.
You want of them shit?
Yes. They're so pretty.
That's true, man.
They're pretty big boy. You're a young boy, man.
Yeah, man, a young man.
That was December coming 64. Take early retirement, you know.
So you get couple thousand well every month though.
You get 2,300 every month.
That you can live off of that?
I mean, can't live off that.
Plus you wait for your social security now.
Social security, man, 65 to go up.
So you don't get the money from the shipping industry. No, them wicked man.
And now them again. Some wife retired, you know, some wife student union president. Wife get about 3,000 a month, so house pay for. Oh, because which one you live house cheap? That's all, you know, man. Yeah, house cheap up. But we can't find my wife. We'll pack out, man. We have all pack out.
Oh, so now for no one business and them thing there?
We sell meat. When any country reach 8 months a year, we sell them. Yeah, butcher cow and take out 15 cow one time.
Yeah.
And tell you, I'm that Jamaica, I'm afraid of cow. I'm calling you. I'm afraid of cow, yes?
You afraid of cow?
I'm that Jamaica. I'm calling you young cow. Come find my wife with them, sir.
So your wife a Jamaican?
No.
Shower. American?
36 years old, man. We have whole pack out.
So she have 3 kids them for you? So she a black American?
Black American, yeah. Let me take up 3 of my niece.
You help them?
One of my sister, yeah, man, my niece up there. The man nurse, chairman nurse.
Yeah.
Yep.
You know.
So, you see, you should chase my crime, as you say.
Yeah, man, you work at Clarendon, man.
You know them place, you know.
Yeah,
I know
man.
Manchester, I know St. Elizabeth. I know the part which you are on the panship. No, I know one over here. I know St. Catherine. I know, so, I know most of Jamaica.
Yeah.
No, again. It's fucked up now, too. Too violent.
But say nobody will develop a girls' business again, though.
No, man, no. See, have my fun. Hey, man, we can't do long time with that. Because in the panship,
Yeah.
we got them Spanish port, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. You go in the wrong club, you know, man. You walk and see woman in the line, or you walk and pick, you know, man. $20 for the cheapest, for the prettiest one, you know, man. My God.
$20?
$20?
Man.
$20, I would get some near the Black Door, New York. Black Door, yep. Second Avenue, New York, nice city there.
Yeah.
I have one big wall concrete one, but one could Black Door the panel. When you bust that place and go into you see woman, somebody can't speak English. Chinese, Japanese, no English. I you know pay them, you pay the one of $15.
And do anything you want.
Pick up anyone they want.
Wow.
Yeah, man, look at, man, Hawaii woman them pretty like flowers to her slammers. Dominica them cheap.
Eh?
Yeah, taxi man. Anywhere you go in the world, you see Dominica woman that sell pussy, they love sell pussy. All Argentina.
So we have reached the end of part 5 in this eye-opening, truth-drenched 8-part series, and what a ride it's been. You have just heard how Casper was sentenced to 16 years and his co-accused received 12 years in a U.S. federal prison for cocaine trafficking. A high-stake game that ended in cold steel punishment. These weren't fictional characters in a movie. These were real men, real life and real consequences. And as our patriotic Jamaican young police protege has shown us the movement, you enter that world of fast money and international drug route, you are one step away from either the grave or a cell. But the story isn't over yet, because part 6 is coming tomorrow, and it's deeper, darker and more devastating than anything we have covered so far. More names, more betrayal, more uncomfortable truths that will shake the core of anyone still romanticizing this deadly lifestyle. So rest up, reflect and be ready, because in part 6, the spotlight turns to those who never got caught. Yet, until then, stay sharp, stay informed, stay real, and more importantly, stay tuned to the Jamaica Young Police channel. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police channel out.